Federal Bureau of Investigation. Mr. Hoover speaks with authority on the subject.
The Communist Party of the United States is a fifth column if there ever was one. It is far better organized than were the Nazis in occupied countries prior to their capitulation. They are seeking to weaken America, just as they did in their era of obstruction when they were aligned with the Nazis. Their goal is the overthrow of our government. There is no doubt as to where a real communist loyalty rests. Their allegiance is to Russia, not the United States. Communism in reality is not a political party. It is a way of life, an evil and malignant way of life. It reveals a condition akin to disease that spreads like an epidemic. And like an epidemic, a quarantine is necessary to keep it from infecting this nation.
Also appearing is former United States Ambassador to Russia, William C. Bullitt. Mr. Bullitt's testimony is based on knowledge gained during his residence in the Red Capital.
The communists are red fascists. Soviet imperialism has replaced Nazi imperialism as a threat to the peace of the world. Hitler never succeeded in building up in the countries he intended to conquer instruments so powerful as Stalin's communist parties and their associated fellow travelers. Stalin will not stop of his own volition. He can only be stopped.